Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good day. Thank you very much. I want to present my paper entitled Solar Radiation Estimation Using Discriminate Analysis Algorithm for the Output Voltage of Photovoltaic Modules. As the problem statement, yeah, now so we know that the solar radiation is very important to be studied to know the potential of power generation in one area. The solar radiation normally is measured by using the solar power meter or weather station. But sometimes in one area there is no the equipment to measure the solar irradiance. Why? Maybe it is missing data, yeah, missing the equipment. Now, so there is missing data of the solar irradiance in one area. Yeah, but we know before we apply the photovoltaic module application system, we need the solar radiation. Now, so for the solve this case, an estimation method of the solar radiation is needed. Yeah, now, so the objective of the paper, yeah, to present an estimation of solar radiation using discriminate analysis algorithm DAA, yeah, that the result is applied to the output voltage of PV module. Yeah, it is based on the data of the maximum and minimum temperature in Chuping Perlis through the year of 2019. So as methodology, yeah, the first we need the data of the measured solar radiation minimum and maximum temperature. Yeah, minimum and maximum temperature. Yeah, through the year 2019. Yeah, meaning the number of day is 360 pipes day. Yeah, after obtaining the measured minimum and maximum temperature, yeah, we create the metric. The metric, yeah, is solar radiation temperature. The solar radiation for the 360 pipes days, yeah, for the daily solar radiation is created in the metric by using MATLAB in one row, for the 365 columns with the metric name is label. And then minimum and temperature is also created in metric. The metric dimension is 365 times 4. And then it is given by metric name feet. The metric name label and feet, yeah, are saved in binary format with the extension .mat. Yeah, .mat. After obtaining this one, yeah, this data can be called, yeah, for the metric label and feet, and then can be applied the discriminate analysis algorithm for estimated solar radiation. Yeah, when the application of the DAA, yeah, in this paper, we propose a formulation, yeah, to increase the performance of the DAA. The formulation is S is equal to 3 plus A T max plus B T min. We can see here S in here is solar radiation. A and B here is are a coefficient of T max and coefficient of T min. T max is maximum temperature and Tmin is minimum temperature. When we apply this DEA, we get the K-fold and split. Yeah, they are 10 and 100 respectively. Yeah, and then after that, when the MATLAB is running, and the last, we can obtain the estimated solar radiation. Okay, and then the result of the estimated solar radiation, yeah, is compared to the measured solar radiation. Okay, we want to know, okay, the estimated solar radiation is valid or not. Yeah, the validation based on the RMSE, root mean square error. Yeah, if the RMSE is close to 0, it indicate that the DAA has good performance to estimate solar radiation. And then if the percentage error, yeah, is in the range of plus minus 10%, yeah, is indicate that the DAA is acceptable to estimate the solar radiation. When these conditions are achieved, meaning the estimated solar radiation can be applied to the output of photovoltaic module, yeah, by using this formulation. VOC open circuit voltage is equal to 1 plus P max minus P min over P max multiply S minus C S max over S max minus S min multiply V max plus coefficient temperature for the open circuit as function of temperature. Yeah, for the data for the data of photovoltaic module, yeah, is given by this table. Yeah. S max is maximum solar radiation, S min is minimum solar radiation. And then V max is maximum voltage. Yeah, we can obtain from here. And the coefficient temperature, this one, can obtain from here. Okay, as the result, yeah, it is graph of the measured minimum and maximum temperature through the year 2019. Yeah, for the maximum temperature, yeah, the lowest value is 26.1 degrees Celsius. For the highest value is 36.7. And then for the minimum temperature, yeah, through this year of 2019, it has lowest value 20.8 degrees Celsius and 26.2 degree Celsius. Again, this one is a result of estimated solar radiation, yeah, as the result of the DAA, discriminate analysis algorithm. Yeah, this graph shows that the estimated solar radiation and measured solar radiation for the daily data. And this one is monthly for measured and estimated solar radiation. We can see from here that the minimum estimated and measured solar radiation occur in July. And then the maximum for the measured, yeah, occur on the May. But estimated for the maximum value, monthly maximum value, yeah, is in March 2019. And so from this estimated and measured data of solar radiation, we can compare, we can validate by using RMSE and percentage error, yeah, that given by this one. Yeah, based on the measured and estimate solar radiation, the value of RMSE is 0.257. It is indicate that it is close to the zero, and indicate that the performance of DAA is good to estimate solar radiation. And also error percentage is 1.527%. Yeah, it is in the range of the plus minus 10%, and it is indicate that the DAA, yeah, can be accept to estimate solar radiation. When the estimated solar radiation is achieved, yeah, and valid, yeah, we can apply to the output of photovoltaic module. Yeah, the estimated solar radiation and measured solar radiation is applied to the photovoltaic module for the maximum temperature. Yeah, maximum temperature is given before. It is for the daily output voltage of the PV module that it is obtained based on the formulation before and based on the estimated and measured solar radiation. Now, so the estimated and the measured output voltage of PV module is given by this one. Yeah. And so based on this data, we have the RMS value is 0.0147. It is close to zero, indicate that the DEA is good performance to estimate the solar radiation. Now, so for the application at minimum temperature, yeah, now so same, the RMS value is 0.0147. Yeah, it's indicate that the DEA, discriminant analysis algorithm, yeah, has good performance to estimate solar radiation. So for conclusion, the minimum and maximum temperature, yeah, through the year 2019 in Ping Perlis, yeah, in the range for the minimum 20.8 degrees Celsius to 26.2 degrees Celsius, and the range of the maximum temperature, yeah, is 26.1 degrees Celsius to 36.7 degrees Celsius. Yeah, this value, yeah, event to estimate solar radiation because they are will decide the value of coefficient maximum temperature and minimum temperature as suggested in the proposed formulation. And then the solar radiation estimated, yeah, has the RMS value of 0.257 and percentage error of 1.649 percent, that it is indicate that DAA is acceptable to estimate solar radiation. And if the measured and estimated solar radiation, yeah, are applied to obtain to find the value of output voltage of PV module, yeah, for the minimum and maximum temperature, shows that the RMS value is 0.0147. Yeah, it is indicate that the uh, value is close to zero, and DAA has good performance to estimate solar radiation. Okay, thank you very much.